Paige, please put these goggles on. Paige, please put your hands together straight toward the audience like that. I'm going to put something into Paige's hands. It is not a liquid, like the mysterious liquid we're trying to learn about, but it is a solid. And Paige, you're going to describe to the good people how the solid feels. How's it feel, Paige? Well, of course it's cold. What is it? Ice. Paige is holding on to ice cubes. Now, if we were to measure ice cubes on an instrument that measured temperature, a thermometer like this one, what temperature should an ice cube be? Or, at what temperature does water freeze? Right? I hear 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You notice, how are your hands doing, Paige? They're cold. All right, I'll get with you right. So notice we have two temperature scales here. We have Fahrenheit, and we also have Celsius. And there are two ways to measure temperature. For this show, we are only going to use the Fahrenheit scale. We don't need to really use Celsius. I mean, nobody in the world uses Celsius. I mean, only every scientist in every other country in the entire world except for us, USA. So we'll use Fahrenheit. So 32 degrees Fahrenheit to freeze water into the solid ice that Paige has in her hands. What temperature is Paige? Or what temperature is any human? 98.6 or 99 or 100, since that's the number I've got on my thermometer. So Paige is up here at the top. The ice is down here near the bottom. When you touch something that is lower than you on a thermometer, you will feel like Paige's hands right now. Cold. Paige, how do your hands feel? See, there you go. Now, something's happening to the ice cubes as Paige holds them, though. Paige, what's happening? They're melting. When ice cubes touch something above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, they melt. And this is how we're going to learn about this liquid without having to touch it. Paige is going to put the ice cubes in there. And if this liquid is above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, if this liquid is hot, when the ice cubes touch it, the ice cubes will... But if this liquid is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, if this liquid is very, very cold, the ice cubes will not. So let's observe what happens. On the count of three, Paige, put the ice cubes in. 1, 2, 3. Very nice, Paige. You've made a whole lot of smoke and we can't see anything. That was really a good idea, Paige. Why did you do that? Oh, okay. I told you to. All right, so, Paige, you're very close. Can you see the ice cubes? Yeah, did they melt yet? Maybe we just need to wait a second. How about now? They're still not melting, and they are not going to melt because this liquid is not hot. This liquid is very, very... How's that feel, Paige? Sort of cold. Well, there you go. Give her a big round of applause. Thank you, Paige.